Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in the CNC channel. Okay, still in the Visual Basic tutorial programming language. The last video I have explained about how to using for statement for loop in Visual Basic.net. Now I'm gonna show you how to using do and while in loop using Visual Basic programming language. Okay, in here in the last video I have explaining about for loops and for each loops. Now I'm gonna show you how to we are using do loops and while loops. Okay guys, you can see in this example of Microsoft Developer Network, you can see part is term do while until condition statement continue to execute and loop. This is for example, but for easy to understand, I will create more simpler using items and of course using Windows Form application. Okay, I create new project guys, and I will give the project name is loop using do and while, like this, do and while. Okay, like this guys, and I choose Windows Form application, and of course I click OK in here. Okay, similar with for and for each loops. In this case, I will show you how to using uh, do and while loops for showing number like our experiment in the last video guys. Okay, this is I will uh, drag two items. There is one button and one combo box guys. I will, this is combo box and combo box 1 and combo box 1 and button 1 guys. In here you can see. Okay, after this I will change the text of button, and I will give the name of this, give the text of this button is do loops, for example, like this. Okay, and you can see here guys, and now I will create some example and some script. Of course I double click here, loops using do and while, and now I will declare guys, I will declare uh, one variable in here, dim my index. For example, this is my variable as integer, and in this tutorial on or in this variable uh, I directly give the value is 0 in here, and for example I will create for like this do to while, guys. To while my index, okay, is less than 100, and I will loop my index, guys. My index, I will increment 1 in here, and combo box 1 dot items dot add is I will add my index in here. Okay, my index, you can see, and of course in here I can more for more view for you guys. This is variable, guys, variable, and this is condition, and in here is statement also is statement in here. Okay, guys, and I will try running this project. If the script is right, then if I click button 1, in combo box will show the number is from 1 to 100. Okay, guys, this is still empty, and I will click two loops. You can see here, guys, you can see here, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 until 100, because I give the condition if my index less than 100. So the first value is 0. 0 is less than 100. So my index is always increment 1 until the condition is true or is achievement in 100. So if 100, the loops is stop. Okay, guys, for example, I will change 100 to 10 and try to show you in here. You can see, guys, you can see here, if I change to 10, the loops will until the 10 number. Okay, I will back this to 100, and in two while script you can give the condition in here in first after 2, or you can also put the condition after loop here, guys. Well, let me see if this chain is seems match or not. I will show you guys in with our experience just now. The combo box will show 1 till 100. If I change the while my index less than 100 to after loop, what will happen? I will click this, and you can see, guys, you can see the condition is can put in the first after 2 or in the last after loop here. Okay, okay, I will back the script to first for you don't confuse. So you can put here or you can put after loop. And in the do while statement or in the do while loops, you can also give the other condition in the body of script, but you must put statement or condition is after statement here, because if you put, for example, if my index uh, equal to 50, okay guys, then I will what this exit do. Okay guys, I will try this script running or not. I think it's will not running because we we don't place the script with right, guys. Okay, I will do loop. You can see guys, you can see oh yes, I think it's right. I'm sorry guys. If my index equal to 50, then exit do. It's right, but if we are using more than one condition, for example like this guys, for example I will create the condition with continue to. If my index less than 5, for example, then I will continue to, and else if my index is equal to 50, then I will exit to. I just experiment the script. Let we see guys what will happen. You can see this not responding because I think if my index less than 5, then continue to. Also if my index equal to 50, then exit to. The script is making confuse the program. The program is confused because in this statement or in this condition, the value of my index is always less than 5 and not increment in here. So just now I show you the right condition, the right condition that we must place is after statement here. Okay, and this is right guys, this is better than the last hour experiment. So if I click start, I think it will happen guys, because the statement here is +1, so the program can read this condition after increment here. Okay, you can see if we put my index increment 1 in here, in the above of condition, the script is also works rather than our first experiment. Okay, in the Microsoft Developer Network, you can see guys, this statement is in above after continue or exit to. So the right in statement is in above in continue or exit to in here. So this is the better if we are using do and loop statement in here. Okay, in the I will cut this guys. I will give this view in back to 100. This is enough for do and whiles. And then how to using while, very similarly guys. For example, dim my while, for example, as integer equal to 0. Then if while, you can use like this, while my while is less than 80, for example, then not in here, not 10, but you can see here while is and while and my while. Okay guys, my while is, I will increment 2 for example, and then combo box 1 dot items dot add is my while. The next I will start this project like usually our trying guys. This is increment 2, so in here is I will click 2 loops. You can see 2 4 until 80 in here, and I can try. I will stop in 14. I will try guys, this is our experiment. Okay, in here if my while equal to 14, then exit while. Oh yes, you can see this. If if while script can exit, it will stop in 14 number. Okay, it's empty, and I will click 2 loops. Yes, of course, and the script is works. Now that's all guys, explaining today about how to using loops with while and do statement in Visual Basic VB.NET. Okay, in the last video or in the next video, I will try or explaining about how to handle error using try and catch exception in Visual Basic VB.NET. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Indus ENC, and bye bye.